this video I will talk about how you can develop your songwriting and production skills by analyzing the songs of your favorite artists. First, you would want to give a song a few listens before breaking it down. With each listening, I'm sure you'll hear things you didn't hear before. Logic comes with some tools that can help you to analyze the track. If you go to Inspector and click on the Audio Effects slot, you can find BPM counter in metering section. Now if you hit play, Logic will try to identify tempo of the song. Make sure the section you're playing has a drum elements. This way it will be easier to find transients. Now you can change the project tempo so it will match the reference track. At this stage you might also want to identify the key of the song. If you struggle with that, you can go online and search for the chords. Next, let's talk about song structure. This particular song begins with the chorus. Think of it as the big idea of the song. Melodically, the chorus will be the catchiest part of the song, and usually the beats that you're working on at first will end up being the chorus. Next comes the verse, and this is where a song's story moves forward. Next we can hear pre-chorus, and musically a lot of times it creates a nice build-up to what's coming in the chorus. After the same pattern repeats and it's followed by another chorus, you can already see how much they emphasize the main melody of the song. And this is where usually the song's energy is at its peak. Then comes the post-chorus, and often this refers to a section that has similar character to the chorus. The idea is to maintain or increase the sonic energy that was building up throughout the whole track. And after that it comes to the conclusion. Now let's go back to our project and see what we can do next. You can slice the song and color code it to get better visual representation of the structure. And this is where global tracks can be very useful. You can make a layout and name each section of the song, or use markers instead. There is advantage to using the arrangement track because you can easily rearrange the whole song. Now let's look at different elements of the song. You can use empty MIDI regions to represent each instrument. At this stage you can observe when different melodies, chords, rhythms, lyrics or other ideas repeat in one way or another. Soon you will realize that music that sounds complex is actually very simple. You can do this with either different artists or the same if you really want to learn about their style. You will begin to notice patterns in a specific way the music is written, which will enable you to be able to quickly come up with ideas while writing for that genre. Once you've done this, you can take the structure of any of the songs you analyzed and use it as a foundation for putting together a new song of your own.